Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use Blackhead removal tool. Before touching your skin, preparation is key. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove oil and dirt, and follow with a steam treatment or apply a warm compress for a few minutes. This helps soften the skin and open up pores, making extraction easier. Now gently pat your face dry with a clean towel, and choosing the right tool and keeping it clean is crucial. Pick the smallest loop on your extractor. Smaller loops apply pressure precisely on the blackhead, and disinfect the extractor before use it by wiping it with rubbing alcohol, and make sure your hands are clean or wear disposable gloves if available. Now place the loop around the blackhead, centering it over the clogged pore, and apply gentle, even pressure, then press down and slightly rock or glide the loop across the area. You should see the blackhead contents release. If it doesn't, stop immediately. Now finish by caring for your skin post-extraction. If a blackhead doesn't come out, let your skin rest and try another day. After finishing, cleanse your face again with a mild face wash and apply a gentle toner or antibacterial solution like witch hazel to disinfect the area. Now finish with a light soothing moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.